20, 30. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, divided by 2 is 10. Divided by 2 is 15. Can be divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 15 cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Cannot be divided by 2. Can be divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 cannot be divided by 3, therefore equal. 5 cannot be divided by 3. Can be divided by 5. Yes. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1, 1. Okay. Here, 2, 3, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 times 3, 1 time 5, 1 time exponent 1. Okay. 2 multiply 2 times 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 multiplied by 5, 60. Okay.